And I also say to people, like, don't think of language in the sense of a metaphor of building a house. Yeah, because sometimes people use like they sort of say, well, I haven't got the foundations yet, or like they're talking about foundations and first floor and second floor, and then they're thinking like, well, if the foundations are shaky, then the whole house is going to collapse and blah blah blah. And it's like, yeah, so I say think of it like spinning plates instead. Think of it as a plate spinning exercise. And what happens when people, if you've ever watched someone who spins plates, is like you go and you spin some plates and they look nice and even, and then you look behind you and there's a plate that goes like this, and you go over and spin that, and then the other plate, and it's like that is what you're doing. So you could be spinning the preposition plate, or you can spin the, I don't know, the writing or word order or whatever speak pronunciation plate, and you can focus on something for a bit, which is cool because you got to spin that plate, but you've also got to go and spin all the other plates at the same time. And I feel like it's truer to, in my experience, it's truer to the process rather than thinking of building block by block and